welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in the RS trim. It is a black paint finish. It includes features such as our black alloy wheels, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, a powered liftgate, as well as Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Starting in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, door locks and unlocks, controls for our powered outside mirrors, window locks, as well as powered window controls. Below it, we have the button for our powered liftgate, some storage, and a speaker. Down the side of the seat, we have all of our powered driver's seat controls. Up and to the left of the steering wheel, our lighting controls. Getting into the vehicle itself, we can see our display cluster. We have digital information. Below it, we can see we have a speedometer, fuel economy, as well as our fuel information, oil life, tire pressure, air filter, and average speed, and a timer. Down and on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings. In the center of the cruise is our forward collision alert, our lane keep assist. The right-hand side is our hands-free, as well as the buttons to change what is destroyed in our display cluster. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system with our AM/FM audio, OnStar services, a Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as Android Auto and Apple Carplay. Below it, we have our auto stop-start engine and hazard lights. Just to the left is our push-to-start engine. Then we have our dual-zone front climate control, as well as our heated seat buttons. Then we have a USB-C, a USB, an auxiliary plug, as well as a 12-volt plug, and some storage. We have our park sensors just in front of our cup holders, our all-wheel drive button in front of our shifter. You can see two cup holders, as well as a storage slot. From the storage slot, we can see our key, locks and unlocks in the top, remote starter, our powered liftgate, and alarm system. Center console is a leather finish with a red trim. Inside, we can see deep storage, as well as a removable shallow storage. Moving to these seats, we can see they are a leather cloth combo in a black finish with a red trim. Then lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have our rear check reminder, lighting controls, and a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have a black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving up, we have a paint match finish on both our mirrors and our door handles, and our mirrors are powered. You can see the back, we also have our paint match finish. Moving all the way to the back of the vehicle, we can see we have a black Chevrolet bow tie, as well as our RS badging and our Equinox badging in black on the bottom left. Next to the controls to open our power liftgate, we have a backup camera. Opening the liftgate, we have a button underneath. Once we hit that button, we can see our liftgate open. In the back, we have 60/40 folding split, as well as storage underneath. And to close the trunk, we have a button on the right-hand side. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we can see that we have a chrome finish door handle, powered window control, as well as storage and a speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in the back of the driver's seat. Between the two front seats, we have two vents, as well as two charging USBs. Passenger seat also does have a storage compartment. Moving to the seats themselves, we can see they are a leather and cloth combo in a black finish with red trim. The center seat, we have two foldable cup holders. All three seats fold in a 60/40 split to make additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.